Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Kotlin/JVM, which focuses on targeting the Java virtual machine. Kotlin/JVM represents Kotlin's primary and foundational platform. This platform enables developers to write modern, concise code while leveraging the power and maturity of the Java virtual machine. Throughout this video, we'll explore how Kotlin seamlessly integrates with the JVM ecosystem, and why it has become the preferred choice for many developers building server-side applications, Android apps, and enterprise software. Kotlin/JVM is a target platform that compiles Kotlin source code into Java bytecode, which then runs on the Java virtual machine. When you write Kotlin code and compile it for the JVM target, the Kotlin compiler transforms your .kt files into .class files containing bytecode. This bytecode is identical in format to what Java produces, meaning the JVM cannot distinguish between code originally written in Kotlin versus Java. The most powerful aspect of Kotlin/JVM is its 100% interoperability with Java. This means you can freely mix Kotlin and Java code in the same project, call Java libraries from Kotlin, and use Kotlin code from Java without any friction or special configuration. There are several compelling reasons why the JVM remains Kotlin's primary and most important platform. First, Kotlin was originally designed with the JVM as its first target platform. JetBrains, the creators of Kotlin, built the language specifically to address pain points in Java development while maintaining full compatibility with the JVM ecosystem. Second, targeting the JVM provides immediate access to the vast Java ecosystem, including millions of mature, battle-tested libraries and frameworks. Third, Kotlin/JVM enables seamless migration from existing Java projects. Teams can adopt Kotlin gradually, converting files one at a time without needing to rewrite their entire codebase. Finally, the JVM itself is a mature, highly optimized runtime platform with decades of development, excellent performance characteristics, and robust garbage collection. Understanding the compilation process helps clarify how Kotlin works with the JVM. The process begins with your Kotlin source code stored in .kt files. These files contain all your Kotlin classes, functions, and other declarations. Next, the Kotlin compiler, invoked through the Kotlin C command, processes these source files. The compiler performs type checking, resolves references, and applies Kotlin-specific transformations. Finally, the compiler outputs Java bytecode stored in .class files. This bytecode format is identical to what the Java compiler produces. The key insight here is that once compilation is complete, the resulting bytecode can run on any Java virtual machine, regardless of whether the original source was written in Kotlin or Java. This compatibility is what makes Kotlin/JVM so powerful and practical. One of Kotlin's greatest strengths is how naturally it interoperates with Java code. Calling Java classes and methods from Kotlin requires no special syntax or wrapper code. Let's examine a practical example. Suppose you have a Java class called Java class with a public method named greet that returns a string. To use this Java class from Kotlin, you simply instantiate it using the standard Kotlin syntax. Create a variable using val, call the constructor, and store the instance. Then call the greet method just as you would call any Kotlin function. The Java method works seamlessly, as if it were written in Kotlin. This direct compatibility means you can immediately use any existing Java library in your Kotlin projects. Popular frameworks like Spring, libraries like JSON, and utilities like Apache Commons all work perfectly with Kotlin without modification. Interoperability works in both directions. Java code can call Kotlin classes and functions just as easily as Kotlin can call Java. Consider a Kotlin class named Kotlin class with a function called greet that returns a string. From Java code, you can instantiate this Kotlin class using the new keyword, exactly as you would with any Java class. Store the instance in a variable, then call the greet method using standard Java method invocation syntax. The Kotlin function appears to Java as a regular Java method. This bidirectional interoperability is crucial for gradual migration strategies. You can start writing new features in Kotlin while maintaining existing Java code, and both languages can communicate freely. This flexibility removes barriers to Kotlin adoption and enables teams to leverage Kotlin's benefits without disrupting existing systems. Several key features make Kotlin and Java interoperability so seamless. First, Kotlin properties automatically map to Java getters and setters. When Java code accesses a Kotlin property, it actually calls generated getter and setter methods that follow Java conventions. Second, Kotlin handles Java's nullability through platform types. Since Java doesn't have built-in null safety, Kotlin treats types coming from Java as platform types, which can be either nullable or non-nullable depending on how you use them. Third, Java collections work seamlessly with Kotlin. You can pass Java lists, maps, and sets to Kotlin functions and vice versa. Finally, SAM conversion allows Java functional interfaces with a single abstract method to be treated as Kotlin lambdas, making Java APIs that use callbacks much more convenient to use from Kotlin. Kotlin provides several JVM Platform Annotations that give you fine-grained control over how Kotlin code compiles to bytecode and how it appears to Java code. The @JVM static annotation marks a function inside a companion object or object declaration as a static method in the generated bytecode, making it callable as a static method from Java. The @JVM field annotation exposes a Kotlin property as a public field instead of generating getter and setter methods, useful when working with Java frameworks that expect direct field access. The @JVM overloads annotation generates multiple overloaded methods for functions with default parameters, since Java doesn't support default parameter values. Finally, the @JVM name annotation lets you customize the name of the generated JVM method or class, which is helpful when you need to avoid naming conflicts or comply with specific Java naming conventions. Kotlin/JVM offers numerous benefits that make it an excellent choice for modern software development. First, you get modern language features like concise syntax, null safety, extension functions, and coroutines, all running on the proven, battle-tested JVM platform. Second, you gain access to the massive Java ecosystem. Decades of Java libraries, frameworks, and tools are immediately available to your Kotlin projects without modification. Third, Kotlin enables gradual migration from Java. You don't need to rewrite entire applications at once. Instead, you can migrate incrementally, file by file, function by function, mixing Java and Kotlin in the same project. Fourth, Kotlin/JVM is production-ready with mature tooling, excellent IDE support in IntelliJ IDEA and Android Studio, and widespread enterprise adoption. Companies worldwide use Kotlin/JVM for critical production systems, demonstrating its reliability and scalability. Let's summarize the key takeaways about Kotlin/JVM. Kotlin/JVM is the foundational platform that offers seamless Java interoperability, access to the entire Java ecosystem, and modern language features on a battle-tested runtime. Remember that Kotlin compiles to JVM bytecode stored in .class files, identical to what Java produces. Bidirectional interoperability means Java can call Kotlin and Kotlin can call Java without any special wrappers or configurations. You have access to millions of Java libraries that work perfectly with Kotlin code. Kotlin/JVM is perfect for server-side applications, Android development, and enterprise software. Whether you're building microservices with Spring Boot, Android apps, or large-scale enterprise systems, Kotlin/JVM provides the tools, performance, and ecosystem support you need for success.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.